look around until I found.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tian and I'm back with another hair video. So today's a little bit different because it's not a tutorial. It's more of a demo since I've never done this before. So today I'll be stripping the color from my hair. As you can see, it's black, and probably the last hair video you saw me, I had like an ombre or dark ashy browns. So what happened was when I was dyeing it a dark ash brown, the dye I used was too dark and it just dyed my hair black. I tried like washing it out and waiting to see if it will lighten over time, and it's been about almost 2 months and I don't think it's coming out. It's not as harshly black when I originally dyed it, but it's still black. So today I'll be using the Color Before hair color remover. So this is ammonia and bleach free, so it shouldn't smell too terrible. I've never used this before, so you guys are gonna be learning this process with me. So I have the instruction right here. It wants you to wash your hair with clarifying shampoo because you want to remove any product buildup you may have in your hair, just to avoid like a patchy application. And make sure you have like a backup plan after this. So I have hair dye and toner because I'm not sure how much color is being stripped from my hair. Keep in mind that my hair is lifted or bleached underneath, so this black is not my natural black. I have like blonde underneath or light brown underneath. And so let's get started with the video. We shook this for 30 seconds so far, and now I'm ready to put this in my hair. And I want to focus this on my ends because I'm trying to get my ombre back, so that's what we're doing. The smell is not pleasant, let me tell you now.
I'll look around until
So it's probably startling, but yeah. Anyways, I applied it all over my ends and a little bit this high, keeping my roots mostly untouched by product. You know, any of the remover does get on there, my roots are still dark anyway. And the instructions said to keep your hair or your head warm. And so I wrapped it, saran wrap, and I'll be wearing a beanie just over it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for about 60 minutes and I'll check back with you guys in an hour. Alright, bye. So it's been an hour. Let's see if it worked. Hey, can you see that? So now I'm gonna wash it out with the buffer so it doesn't re-oxidize on me, so I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so I washed it out and then dried it. So that worked pretty well, and it was a little weird. So before I used the buffering, the final step, it was like a orangey blonde. After I rinsed it out, it kind of got a little darker. It's like a kind of like medium brown right now. My roots are still kind of black. There are some light strips going through, and yeah, I think it's just like areas that got lifted when I dyed my hair. If you look in the light, I'm pretty impressed. This is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Want to try this product to lift up your hair color? I recommend it. It worked for me. It smells, if you ever been in those Asian hair salons, that's what it smells like. I always thought it was like perming like smell, but that's what it smells like. So now I'm just gonna tone my hair, and I have a video on how to tone my hair. Just go on my channel for that. I was torn between toning my hair or just dyeing it a dark ash brown, but I kind of want to go a little bit lighter, and I think the toning will lift some color even further. So yeah, that's the route I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.